In this tutorial, we will see that how you can download Garrys mod on PC in just few steps. So let's dive right in. Open Google and search for Steam. Scroll down and open this official website of store.steampower.com. Download Steam from here. It will start downloading. After download, it will show here in your programs and downloads folder. If you double click on that, you can simply install it. After installing, you can open it. It will open up like this. You can simply create account if you don't have. I will sign in here. So after logging in, it will show you dashboard like this. And here you can see a search bar. If you click on that and search for Garrys mod, here it will show you this game of Garrys mod. If you scroll down, you find here this option of add to cart. If you click on that and click on this view my cart, and then it will show you this payment options. After doing payment, click on library and you can search here for Garrys mod that you have just purchased. So let's suppose if I open this, and when you open Garrys mod, it will show you this install button. Then you have to install this, and after installing, you can simply play that game. So that's how you can download Garrys mod on PC in just few steps.